YouTubers, welcome back again. I just want to show you how I do my cells. Getting them prepared to take the bus bars. If you have a look, this is a bit excessive, but still, nevertheless, I leave some of the strip on the battery, the middle. The reason why I do that is, when soldering, it makes it a lot easier to transfer the heat onto the battery, because now you don't have to heat the battery up so much, just the strip, just like that. Very easy, very quick, and you don't have to sit there too long with the iron. This is only a cheapie on eBay. It's a 60 watter, but it's one of the best ones I've got for doing the job. And like with the outside cells to make them yellow, all I do is I buy it in the roll, 5 meter lengths. This is green, I've got no yellow left. The green was because I was deciding originally between the yellow and green. I like to think I make the right choice. Anyway, so it's a matter of getting the cell, cutting it like that, down the cell, removing the heat shrink from that, keeping the protective ring, just pry it open like this, sleeve the cell back in there, and heat shrink. Use a trusty hair dryer. Done. Also, another advantage leaving that strip on the cell, if you're trying to get that off properly, you do this sort of motion. And what happens is they can hold really tight, really good, that when you do that, you can actually dent the cell. So this actually protects it as well by not ripping into it so much. So anyway, that's a couple of things I wanted to share with you. And like all my videos, everything I'm showing is the way I do it. It's not saying it's the best way. Hopefully it's better than the worst way. So please don't take everything as it is the only way to do it. I'm just showing and sharing my experiences doing this project. Anyway, you know what to do. If you like what you see, please subscribe, please send notes, comments, and just encourage me to keep making more. Thank you. I'll see you next time.